Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you how to draw a nut and bolt, nut construction and bolt construction. Okay, I'm gonna draw this one first angle orthographic projection. So first I'm gonna draw an M30. M stand for metric, so which means my diameter of my bolt will be 30. So here's what's gonna happen. To get the height of the nut, you multiply that by 0.8. You say 30 multiplied by 0.8, and then you get that height of the nut. And also to get the thread, you divide that m by 10, so which means you're gonna divide by 30. So another thing, okay, I'll explain this when I draw a bolt. So here's what you start with. I'm sure everybody knows how to construct a hexagon now. So I'll start by this circle. This is the diameter 30. So remember, I'm drawing this on first angle orthographic projection. So this will be my top view. So to draw a nut, you use a 60-degree angle. So you take your T-square and then make sure that it's horizontal and put your 60-degree angle on top, and then you draw like that. And then make sure this one doesn't move and go to the other side. And make sure that you draw in such a way that the front view will be able to see 3 sides. And then you go to this other side and then you draw like that. Just gonna move a little bit. Unlike constructing a hexagon, when you construct a hexagon, these are inside the circle, but when you construct a nut, these are outside, and make sure that they are touching the circle. So I'm just gonna draw a dark line. Another dark line. So you're done. So since we're given an M30 to this distance here, so I forgot something. We are given an M30 to get the distance across the flats. This distance here, you multiply by 1.5, so it will be 1.5 multiplied by 30, which means it's 45. So since I've already drawn in 30, I won't change it, but I'm just doing this just in case you guys will have to know. So which means 1.5 times 30, it will be 45. So this 30 is the hole within the nut. So it's the hole within the nut. So after here, what do you need to do? So I'll just continue like this. I'm just gonna draw this hole. So I'll just open in the distance. And in my case it was supposed to be 30, but I'm just gonna open. And you have the thread you show it by outside. So to get the thread, usually the threads are 1.2, yeah, I mean 1.5 to 2 millimeters. So to draw the threads, so you're just gonna add the 1.5. So to draw the thread, you end it like this. You don't close it, and make sure when you draw the threads, this one is thinner than this one. So the dark one must be this one. This one is a little bit thin. So this from here to here is 1.5 millimeter, 1.5 or 2 millimeter. So remember, if you are given an M30 to get this distance, remember distance across the flats is the diameter of the cycle, right? So if you are this one across the, usually they don't give across corners, so they always give across the flats. So to construct this nut, it will help you on when you're doing assemble drawing, because on assemble drawing you are required to draw, to construct a nut. So now you're done with the top view. Don't forget to draw center line. From now I'm just gonna transfer everything. And don't forget guys, this is in first angle, so usually you have to draw it in third angle. So when you're doing assemble drawing, it's very rare to get an assemble drawing that a nut. It's very rare, and you get a lot of marks by constructing a nut on an assemble drawing. So to get the height you will say M30 multiplied by 0.8. So it will be 30 multiplied by 0.8, which is 24. That's the height of the nut. So that's the height. Now I'll just draw a construction line. And then from there, when we look from this side, we'll see this side and this side and this one, which means we'll see 3 sides. So I'm just gonna draw this one. So when you look from this side, you will see some curves here, and nut have some curves. If you have checked the real nut, when you look from there, the front view, you can see some curves. So to construct those curves, you use a 60-degree. This is what you do. And you come here. use this point and this point to draw a curve here, and then you use this one to draw a bigger one. So just come and here, and from there I just come here. And we draw a curve like that. And from here is 30 degree. You draw a 30 degree line, 30 degree line. So I'm just gonna use this one. Like that. Degree. So that you close this one out. And also this one. Now you're done with the front view. Now it's time to draw your left view. So we'll transfer these ones. Remember to transfer, you use a 45 degree. Transfer the measurements. This one. And we're gonna need this one too. So also from this side, we're gonna need a 60 degree, 60, 60, 60. And then from there, I'm just gonna draw this curve. And just like that. Then you'll be done with. So on this side, there's no need to draw a 30 degree angle. It's straight on top. So that's how you construct nut. Top view, front view, left view. Now let me just show you how to. Okay. Just gonna draw something here. How like a shaft of a bolt look inside the hole. So you would be also be required to draw this. And just draw a 25, maybe it about 25. The height I can make it any height I want. I can make 70. So let's say you're given, let's just say an M20. It's gonna measure 20. So the bolt went inside up to this point. We're just assuming here. I don't have the exactly measurement, so I'm just gonna show you how to draw a shaft inside of a part. So you know, a screw, when in front of a screw you're gonna draw a 30-degree. It has a pointy side which is 30 by 30. You always use 30 by 30. And then the threads end somewhere here. So here I'm gonna show you how to draw the threads. So the threads, the outside, let's say by 2 millimeters. So this is how you draw threads. So you draw threads like that. This is not 2 millimeter. So when you draw a thread, you're gonna use a 60-degree angle. 60-degree. To draw a line like that. 60. this one, you just join it here. We can close this one now. And you can section this part. So when you section, also up to the thread. Where you section it. Use 45 degrees. Done. So this is how a shaft of a bolt looks inside, or a hole with threads. This is the thread part. This is where the shaft is gonna end. So on assemble drawing, you're gonna have to use this method. Now I'm gonna show you how to draw a bolt. Okay, now I'm gonna draw a bolt. So I'm just gonna draw a bolt of any size. So to construct the top view of a bolt is the same as a top view of a nut. So you construct it the same way. So I just draw my circle here.